Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to edit PDF in Word. To start, open your Word document. There, in the File menu, click Open. You are going to select the PDF file. Click on Open. In the pop-up window, click OK to confirm the file conversion process. Wait for it to complete. When the PDF document is converted to Word, you can make any changes you want to it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you finish, from the File menu, click on Export. After that, click on Create PDF. Select where it will be saved and assign the desired name. Click Publish. You can see that the PDF has the changes that were made. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.